Oh, here it is.
Beautiful beach, the pool, you know, chilling and vibing. I'm gonna need y'all to go. Bro, I give you full permission to get nasty, bro.
But I just didn't know. Your tone is fucking close.
We can get as nasty as you want.
So I can hold you on a light that you don't feel the same.
You can come in here. Is that when you guys do that?
Protect my energy, we kids outside. Protect my energy, we kids outside. Alright. I need another round. Hey, look who ain't sober now. It's me. Look who ain't sober now. Hey, look who ain't sober, baby. Don't call my phone and come in.
If you want to do the wired mic thing, then stick to the wired mic, honestly. Because if that's part of the it's the same triggers about starting to ban off the 80 files. Yeah, and you.
Look at it. Do it.
Hey baby, I can't complain. Go ahead and talk your shit. As long as speak your name, go ahead and shake with it. Just fuck my flame, yeah, you pick my thing. Yeah, you pick my thing. You say the things I say it is what it is. Hey, go ahead and talk your shit. As long as speak your name, go ahead and shake with it. Just fuck my flame, yeah, you pick my thing. You say the things I say it is what it is. Hey baby, I can't complain. Go ahead and talk your shit.
Alright people, we're on our way out for the evening. Tomorrow's the big day. I'm hot as fuck. I know I say that every time you see me.
So we praise, make believe in his chest. Praying one day the world would end. Hey, just praying that the world would end. Hey, just praying that the world would end. We kids outside. We take my intimately. Heavy with no sympathy, sipping on his Tennessee. My time, my work, peace, and my sanity. My shine, my words, no bother, no leash, protect my energy. Yeah, hey, we on the floor. We still continue. I'm keeping no. As your head hits the pillow, it's like no.
Good luck to you, sir. I know you're going places.
Oh, and also, the main reason we're here tonight is for positivity arts. I was in programs like that. My mom did programs like that growing up. It got me to the confidence that I have today, and I see how it can get people away from negative behavior. It can give kids confidence and give kids a life in the future and something to think about. So if you think about leaving tonight and going to go get a blunt or a drink or some McDonald's or some Sonics across the street, think about the little babies and take that $5, that $10, that $20 and donate to our future.